Natalie Fahmy tonight looks into why a judge ruled against this law today.
It was rushed through with lots of fanfare and, very little teeth.
Ruthie's Law was created to help protect senior citizens in nursing homes. The law is named after Ruth Murray, a resident at Emerald South Nursing Home in Buffalo. In 2016, she died after a fight with a resident.
It's a shame that it's gone. It's even more a shame that the county executive and his legal team didn't fight harder to keep it on the books.
But not everyone wanted to see the law upheld. Some claim the law was unconstitutional.
Erie County could not do this. And we made that known to the county in terms of pointing out the provisions of the public health law.
The judge who struck down the law says it was unlawful, unconstitutional, and unenforceable. The New York State Department of Health and New York State are the only two entities that have the authority to regulate hospitals and nursing homes.
You could potentially have 62 different sets of rules and regulations for hospitals and nursing homes throughout New York. That would be chaos.
A 2020 report from the County Commissioner of Senior Services found more than 50% of nursing homes in the area did not comply with Ruthie's Law. The law requires nursing homes to contact families in a timely manner after an incident and that they report resident injuries to the county.
Local notification, I think, is most important because we're the ones who are closest to the situation and closest to the residents.
In a statement, County Executive Mark Polenkar says the court's decision to strike Ruthie's Law is disappointing and will remove a much-needed layer of oversight. He says an appeal is possible.
The answer's in the wording. I don't anticipate there's actually going to be an appeal, especially looking at the decision today.
It's redundant. So the safeguards it purported to implement are already in place.
Now, it's important to note just because Ruthie's Law was struck down does not mean nursing home residents have no protections. The law was intended to add extra protection and transparency, but there are state and federal laws in place to ensure safety. Reporting in Buffalo, Natalie Fahmy, 7 Eyewitness News.